Still wasting hours on tasks that AI can do better and faster? It's time to automate and scale like a boss. These tools will make you smarter, not harder. Tool 1. ChatGPT plus Copy AI. Content creation slowing you down? Use ChatGPT and Copy.ai to crank out blog posts, social media captions, emails, and sales pages in minutes. Goodbye writer's block. Hello massive productivity. Tool 2. Notion AI. Stay organized like a CEO. Notion AI is your personal assistant, planning projects, prioritizing tasks, and writing notes with smart AI-driven workflows. Focus on what matters. Tool 3. Durable.co. Need a website like yesterday? With Durable.co, launch a stunning, fully functional AI-built website in under 5 minutes. No coding, no tech stress, just results. Tool 4. Taplio. Dominate LinkedIn like a pro. Taplio helps you write viral posts, schedule content, and grow your personal brand with AI insights that actually move the needle. Ready to build your 6-figure business working smarter, not harder? Hit follow at Autocash Lab for weekly drops on the best AI tools, growth hacks, and step-by-step tutorials to dominate your niche and scale fast.